everyone, welcome back to Happy Blocksters. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends if you love Lego builds and spooky fun. Today, we're going to build something amazing. It's the Fun Computer Phase 2 from SPRUNKI, and trust me, it's a little creepy but super cool. Here are all the Lego bricks we'll be using today. Lots of black, gray, and red pieces for the horror look, and black bricks for wires and buttons. Let's start building! First, we're making a simple table for the Fun Computer to sit on. I'm using these flat bricks for the tabletop, and now adding for the 4 legs, one on each corner. It's strong and stable. Now, let's add some wires and cables under the table. To build the Fun Computer itself, we'll start with the bottom part. Now the screen. I'm using gray and black bricks for the scary screen, and those black round pieces are for the glowing horror eyes. Let's add a creepy smile with these black curved bricks. He looks spooky already! Now, let's place our finished computer onto the table. We'll carefully connect it so it stands up straight. Perfect! Now it really looks like an evil workstation. Let's take a full look at our Lego Fun Computer Phase 2 from the front, back, and sides. Check out all the wires, the glowing eyes, and that creepy little smile. That is definitely one of the spookiest builds we ever made on Happy Blocksters. If you like this scary Lego build, make sure you give it the thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what spooky character we should build next. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you in the next video with more fun and creative Lego builds. Bye-bye!